Lesson 9, Power. Section 9.5, RL series circuit. This is an RL series circuit. Psi is the phase angle of this circuit, and it is expressed as arctangent omega L over R. This figure shows the relationship between R, omega L, and psi. The opposite side of this right-angled triangle is square root of R squared plus omega L squared. Cosine psi and sine psi are given by these equations. The active power is given by this equation using cosine psi. By substituting VE into the equation, P act is derived as R times IE squared. Note that, in the case of DC current IDC, the power consumed by a resistance R is RIDC squared. By substituting IE, P act is expressed by this equation that includes the voltage VE. The reactive power PR is also reformulated into these equations. Experiment 9.5. Pause the video, and follow the instructions. Measure the active power P act and the reactive power PR. The results of experiment 9.5. These are the measured waveforms at f equals 10 kHz. Pause the video, and check the answers. Pause the video, and check the results. The left graph is the normalized active power, and the right is the normalized reactive power. Exercise 9.5. This table shows the measured values of the normalized active power P act over VE squared, and the normalized reactive power PR over VE squared, in the previous experiment. Find the nominal values of P act over VE squared and PR over VE squared using these equations. Then compare the measured values and the nominal values. The answers to exercise 9.5. These equations show examples of the calculations at f equals 10 kHz. P act over VE squared and PR over VE squared are calculated to be 0.717 and 0.450 respectively. This table shows all the calculated values. These figures show the comparison between the measured values and the nominal values. The left figure is the normalized active power, and the right one is the normalized reactive power. They matched fairly well. Section 9.6, RC series circuit. Exercise 9.6.1. This is your homework. In the case of RC series circuit, cosine psi and sine psi are given by these equations. Show that the active power P act and the reactive power PR are given by these equations. Experiment 9.6. Pause the video, and follow the instructions. Measure the active power P act, and the reactive power PR. The results of experiment 9.6. These are the measured waveforms at f equals 10 kHz. Pause the video, and check the results. Pause the video, and check the answers. Exercise 9.6.2. This is your homework. This table and the figures show the measured values of the normalized active power, and the normalized reactive power in the previous experiment. Find the nominal values of P act over VE squared and PR over VE squared using these equations. Then compare the measured values to the nominal ones. The author of this material is Takeshi Furuhashi, Professor Emeritus, Nagoya University. If you have any questions, send emails to this address.